Tamang paraan ng paghuhugas ng kamay. Ang wasto at regular na paghuhugas ng kamay ay mabisang paraan upang makaiwas sa mga sakit. Ito ay makatutulong sa pagpigil ng pagkalat ng virus na nagdudulot ng sakit. Una, basain ng tubig ang mga kamay at sabunin. Ikalawa, sabunin ang mga palad. Ikatlo, sabunin ang likod ng mga kamay. Sumunod, kuskusin ang mga pagitan ng daliri. Ikalima, kuskusin ang mga kuko. Ika-anim, kuskusin ang pagitan ng mga hinlalaki. Pagkatapos, kuskusin ng paikot ang mga dulo ng mga daliri sa magkabilang palad. At panghuli, banlawang mabuti sa malinis na tubig at patuyuin ang mga kamay gamit ang single-use towel o air dryer.
Lifting is a common task in many workplaces. Yet, many employers may not be aware of how to reduce the risk associated with lifting. Bending, reaching, and twisting while lifting can result in back pain. Handling heavy loads or repeating the same motions can also increase the risk of injury. Back injuries are painful and can be debilitating, not to mention expensive.
The three principles of safe work are: keep the back straight, keep the load close, and avoid twisting. Implementing these three principles will help keep you safe while you perform all tasks, including lifting, whether you're at home, at school, or at work. To perform a load lift, assume a wide stance for stability. This allows the load to be directly under your center of gravity, which keeps the load close. Because the arms work most efficiently when the upper arm is maintained close to the torso, this also reduces physical stress on the shoulder. Test the load. Before lifting, get your head up to establish a safe posture of the spine with your back straight. Lift vertically, like an elevator, using your legs. The stance of the legs can be squared or staggered because both are balanced and powerful. Use the stance of your preference or the one that keeps the load closest to your center of gravity.
Transferring loads from one location to another, like moving hazardous waste containers from a shelf to a cart, often presents a risk of twisting. Twisting, when combined with compressive force, can cause injury to the discs in the spine. Here we see an example of a worker using unsafe technique. He bends at the waist, rotates the torso, and reaches to access the box on the low shelf. He lifts like a crane with a rounded back while reaching.
Safe lifting tips. How do you lift objects? Do you keep your back healthy? One of the biggest causes of back injury is lifting objects incorrectly. So the big question is, how to lift a light or heavy object safely? What is the recommended way to lift heavy weights? Of course, one of the common mistakes is rounding the back, which creates a serious risk of damaging the lumbar vertebrae. The deadlift is suitable for heavy weights. Keep your back straight. Hold the load as close to your body as possible. This principle is very important in lifting weights high. Variation: deadlift with arm support. Another option for lifting heavy objects is the squat. Here too, we must make sure to keep the weight near the body and keep the back straight. The erector spina muscles stabilize the spine. Another option is lunge with arm support. Resting the arm on the thigh directs the forces to the ground. Bend the knees and keep the back straight. This variation is like the squat, but with legs closer together. On the left, we see a movement that is not recommended because it creates ongoing damage to the lower back. On the right, we can see careful maintenance of a straight back.
If it's too heavy, you'll need some help. You might want to ask a friend or use a moving dolly. Before you lift the box, clear a path and take note of any stairs or uneven surfaces that could cause you to trip. When you're ready to lift, stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Look straight ahead with your back straight and bend your legs to kneel and grip the box. Get a firm grip, then slowly lift up with your legs. Keep your back straight and push your body up and into a standing position. One of the most important things to remember is to let your legs do the work. Don't lift with your back. When you're ready to put the box down, bend your legs and kneel like you did when you lifted it. Keep your back straight, and once it's securely on the surface, release your grip and stand up. And now you have successfully lifted a heavy box.